I tried this website, getting paid to read books online, and one paid me. Here is the proof. But there is a problem when it comes to this thing. A lot of people don't actually know it, and I'm going to show you that in a minute. There are about 3 platforms, but the last one, which I'm going to talk about at the end of this video, is the one that actually paid me. I wouldn't talk about it earlier here because I made a video about it and YouTube removed it, saying that they wouldn't want such a video on their platform, and so I am respecting that. So you want to make sure you watch to the end so that you can know the name of that platform. And then if you want the full video, join our Telegram channel, because the full video is going to be on the Telegram channel so that you can leverage it. Welcome. So now let's get started with the one that invited me via email. You're going to see that this is an email and it was sent on the 16th of February. Okay, and it totally stated that I can actually earn money by reviewing this particular audio book by Element, and the material matter via audio free trial. Okay, I can actually do this and then I get paid. Now they sent a link for me to go ahead and download that book and then listen to it. Now this is an audio book for me to listen. All I need to do is just put on my earpiece and then listen to it, and then afterward I give a review and then I get paid. Okay, now all I need to do is just click on this link here, and then it's going to bring me down to Audible. Now this is where I'm going to get that particular ebook, but then the name of the website that sent me this email is Online Book Club. Okay, you need to register first. The link is going to be in the comment section. Now once you register and they accept you, that's when they will send you the email, and then you can come down to Audible. So even if you go to Audible directly and then you sign up, you cannot actually get this free. Keep watching. I hope you're getting value from this video. One thing you need to understand is that you can actually get paid reviewing books online. Of course, you have to read it first and then you review it. Now, you can use ChatGPT to do that, and I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT or any other AI to review books without them knowing that you used AI to review the book. So what you want to do is just keep watching to the end, because at the end I'm going to show you that particular one that paid me. I will then tell you what next you need to do so that you can go on that platform right now, because literally you can actually get paid on that platform. So let's keep going. Audio book to review, because they have to send you an email first. But you can try Audible first and see if they're going to send you a free audio book or ebook to read and download. Okay, so all I need to do is just try this now. I can just try it now, and then once I try it, I'll be able to download this. I can also take my time to go through this, to go through the menu. You're going to see the menu here. Okay, but that is the first one. Yeah. Now let's go down to the main website, which is Online Book Club, and I'll show you how you can sign up right away. So you're going to see the audio book here, Element and the Material Matter. You're going to see the book here. Okay, so all I need to do is just read this particular book, and then once I read it, I can give my review. Right. This is an invitation that was given to me by Online Book Club. So just go to Online Book Club and then you can be able to sign up right away, and then you can start. They will invite you, and then once they invite you, you can start reading these books and then reviewing them. This is the Online Book Club platform, right? You can just go to the menu, and then you can also subscribe. Just click on subscribe. Once you click on subscribe, they'll send you an email on free books that are available for you to read, right? You're going to see all that here. Okay, so you can just subscribe. So just go ahead and click on this subscribe button now. Once you click on subscribe, they are going to give you a space to put in your email address. Okay, you're going to see resend verification. So they have already sent me an email because I have once imputed my email before. Now if you click on the menu, you are going to see my name here. You'll see my name here, right? Now you can just come down here and then register. First of all, you can come here, make money and earn rewards. Okay, you can also click on this now, review team menu. If you click on this review team menu, you're going to see different things on the website. So take your time and then you can sign up. Once you sign up, they will send you an email, and then you go check that email. Then it will take you down to the other website where you can download the free books, and then you can listen to the audio books, or you can read and then you write your review. The second platform is Kirkus Reviews. Now, this is a well-recognized platform where anyone, anywhere in the world can earn money by reading books and reviewing them. Now, you're going to see when you go down to the website and you come to the career section, you're going to see book reviewer. Now, anywhere, what that means is that you're going to be a freelance project based anywhere. That you can do this anywhere you are in the world. Okay, now all you need to do is just read this, and then the most important thing is you look at this. Reviews are about 350 words due 2 weeks after the book is assigned. Kirkus currently reviews nearly uh, all genres are for books of all lengths in digital, hard copy, hardcover, and paperback format. Okay, so to apply, all you need to do is just you go down here, submit your CV to this. Okay, you go down, this is the email, drop at kekus.com. You submit your CV, okay, and then of course your review sample. Remember, I made a video about how you can get your review samples before now. So you go down to that video, and maybe I'm going to link that video to this video as well, so that you would know how you can be able to do that. And then you send your email to them, and then they would recognize it, and once they recognize it, they will send you more projects for you to review. So go to Kirkus Reviews and then sign up here by sending them an email. You see this email here? So you are sending them your resume, okay, and then your writing samples and a list of reviewing specialists to Kirkus India editor David Rapp at drop@kirkus.com. Okay, so go ahead and do that right away. Now you can also go take your time to go through the Kirkus website. You're going to see book reviews. If you click on book review, you're going to see all books, audio books, fiction, and other listings. These are some other book reviews that they have, right? These are some other books that they have that you can review. Now, if you go down to the menu again, you will see Kirkus Prize, Magazine, Writers Center. You can also write here and earn money. Okay, you can write and earn money. If you're also an editor, you can also edit and earn money, or you can publish also, right? You're going to see services for authors and just like that. So take your time, go through this, send the application to the email address listed, and then you are on your way to becoming a freelancer at Kirkus. Now let me talk about the third website. It's actually an application, and that application is I've shared it here before. Now the application name is NN. Now that NN is you install it from Play Store. I don't want to show it here because YouTube already said that they don't want such application posted on the platform. So what you want to do is to join our Telegram channel. The link is going to be in the comment section, and I will post the video there, and then you can be able to install it. The link is also going to be in the Telegram channel, so that you can install it from Play Store, App Store, and then start reviewing books, okay, and getting paid.